Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to allow people to share your post on their Instagram story. So let's just begin. So as you can see here that I'm inside my profile but from another profile. So if I tap on any post here or reel and if I tap on this share icon, you will be able to see the option of add to story. This simply means that I'm allowed to share a post or a reel on my Instagram story. So how can we do this? It's pretty simple. So I'm going to change the account here. So now we are inside our profile. So to allow the people to share your post or reel on their Instagram story, you would need to tap on this icon on the top right side. And here you will scroll down. You will be able to see the option of sharing and reuse. So you have to tap on that. And here at the top, you can see the option of posts and reels to stories. So by default, it won't be enabled. So since I have already enabled this, but if it is not enabled, what you will need to do, you will just simply need to enable this to allow people to share your post or reel on their Instagram story. So this is how we can do this. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.